mwese mwe Lubega Mukaaku ogw'okukuma omuliro mu bantu ogwabaggulwako gye buvuddeko.
The earliest date I have available is the 14th of February, this Friday. Get that name again?
That is in court, but we are not advised that they want to touch the residence before this one of the court worship before the state will explain.
Witnesses?
No, we had no witness. We summoned the witness but hasn't come. And since A1 is not in court, hasn't been produced, will brief a production warrant against A1. Counsel for the accused person says we should explain. The prisons, the person was remanded to prisons. So they are the better placed to inform us why they haven't produced him. So will brief a production warrant, and hopefully on the next given date we'll have our final witness. And A1 will be produced and we will be ready to proceed.
We would rather take it back, Your Worship, by the submissions of the state, not taking this matter seriously. One regarding the absence of A1. A1. State knows very well that Dr. Chiza Besigye was granted bail by this Your Worship, the last time this matter came up, as per the record, he was here on the production because of some other charges which were either taken going on before the General Court Martial. But the position has since changed, Your Worship. I'm sure this honorable court has taken judicial notice of the fact that the General Court Martial was banned by the Supreme Court from proceeding with any matter involving civilians. And the prosecution knows this. So under all circumstances, Dr. Besigye is expected to be here. But the state is holding him somewhere illegally because he's no longer in the hands of the General Court Martial. He's no longer in the hands of the General Court Martial because the General Court Martial was supposed to sit on that. That was last week. It did not sit. And the remand warrant, which had earlier on been issued by the General Court Martial, expired on that. So as we speak right now, there is no remand warrant from the General Court Martial. And we can authoritatively tell this honorable court there is no any remand warrant from any court in Uganda that keeps Dr. Besigye in remand anyway. So he is incarcerated by the state, and the prosecution here, which represents the state here, should explain where he is right now. So, in a nutshell, he cannot ask for a production warrant to bring him from where? Production warrant is issued to prisons authorities. But in this particular case, Your Worship, if the prison's authorities are the ones in his custody, they are not doing it legally. If they are the ones keeping him in custody, they are not doing it legally. And therefore it's untenable to issue production warrant to a force that is holding somebody illegally. So this honorable court cannot issue production warrant to somebody who is in illegal incarceration, who is not on remand. The next, if that happens, Your Worship, if I may conclude this point, the next thing that will happen, to find somebody kept in a safe house, and then the prosecution asks for a production warrant for somebody who is in a safe house. That is an absurdity. So for intents and purposes, if Dr. Besigye is in Brazil, he is in a safe house, not in Mali prison. He is in a safe house where he is being held illegally, not on remand, because there is no remand warrant. Valid remand warrant from any court. Point number one. Point number two, Your Worship, about the witnesses. Again, in a very cursory manner, The state said, we summoned a witness, but we don't know why he's not here. Just casually like that. He has not even bothered to tell board that because when the state has gotten a witness, they have their particulars. He would have gone an extra mile to explain. They have called him on phone. Probably his phone is off, or he's on the way coming, or something could have happened to him. Probably he's sick or lost a loved one, or something. Any valid reason why the witness is not here. But he said, just throwing his hand in the air. Your worship, to be honest, that is an abuse of the court process. To be an abuse. I mean, it will be an insult to this honorable court if such a reasoning is entertained by this honorable court. In a nutshell, Your worship, no justification has been made for the application under the judge. We pray that Your worship you compare this prosecution because their case. We proceed to the next stage of the submission. No case to answer. We do so for Your worship.
Well, in rejoinder, first, the issue is A1 is on bail in this case, and that's very clear. It is his lawyers who informed this court that he was remanded by General Court Martial, and this court went ahead to issue a production warrant. On the last hearing date, he was here, and since he was on remand, he should have been produced. So, Your Honor, if his lawyers are saying he's not out, then he is in prison, Your Honor. Your Honor, the issue of whether he is in prison legally or not, they are not matters that concern this honorable court. Those are matters, Your Honor, that would concern whoever remanded him. And I believe the submissions by land colleagues should have been made to that court. Or any other court where orders are being called to ensure his release, but not this honorable court. So, Your Honor, as far as this court is concerned, the accused person is with prisons, and Your Honor, this honorable court can go ahead and issue a production warrant. My land colleague goes on to state that a production warrant should not be issued because he's illegally in prison. Yeah, Your Honor, that cannot. It's not an issue for this court. Nobody has pronounced him illegally in prison. No orders have been issued to this court. And in any case, even if he was illegally in prison, those matters do not concern this honorable court. Whether he's illegally in prison or illegally in prison, as Byland colleague states, those matters do not concern this honorable court. He is on bail. So you know this court can only issue production warrant to produce him, and until his lawyers resolve the issue of his remand with the appropriate court, which is not this court. So it will be our prayer that one, court was informed that he's on remand. Prison can furnish this court with the reason why they have not produced him today. And inform this honorable court whether he still is there, because my land colleague seems to state that he should not be there. If he's there, Your Honor, this court should oblige and issue production warrant. Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, there is no any order from any court. That has
tomorrow by midday, all of us, the lawyers, will have to assemble there and see if we can access him, do our due diligence as the magistrate suggested, and establish the state of affairs regarding his health and the reasons as to why they have not brought him here. Kufa ku Lwokutaano tewali muntu yenna ku booluganda ab'emikwano bammemba b'ekibiina okuva Katonga eyamulabyeko nti Dr. Kizza Besigye wuuno batulemesezza embeera yonna. So okuva ku Lwokutaano Lwamukaaga Sunday Monday olwaleero Tuesday tetumanyi mbeera Dr. Kizza Besigye gy'alimu okujja kati kano akabaluwa akazine kagamba nti gy'ali mulwadde tasobola kujja mu kooti. Prosecutor owa court state attorney nga naye ebyannyonnyola tebikwatagana. Kooti esembayo ey'okuntiko neewa order esembayo n'okutuusa olwaleero nga bakyaginyoomye. Tukoze kyonna ekisoboka okugiteekesa mu nkola, naye basajja tukoze buli kyonna ekyetaagisa okugiteekesa mu nkola, naye bano abatamanya ngamba abasibira mu bbwa beefudde bakiwagi. Tunuulira Supreme Court yasalawo nga 3 January Dr. Besigye bakyamulemedde.